In Penal Code Section 594, California law defines vandalism as maliciously defacing, damaging, or destroying somebody else's property. Now, it has to be somebody else's property. It can't be your own. So, for example, if you take a baseball bat and smash up your own car, that's probably not vandalism. But if you're leasing that car and it really belongs to Ford Motor Credit, then that may well be vandalism. Now, typically we see vandalism charges in a situation where somebody breaks a person's windows or cuts up their clothes or takes a key and keys the paint on their car or sprays graffiti in tagging situations, tagging a billboard or a wall or a store. And one thing to remember is it has to be malicious. So if you accidentally damage someone's property, that's not vandalism. Now, you may still be liable. If you accidentally damage their property, that they could potentially sue you in civil court, and you may have to pay damages to compensate them for their loss, but you haven't committed the crime of vandalism. Now, vandalism is a wobbler, which means it could be filed as a misdemeanor or a felony, depending on the circumstances. If you're convicted as a felony, you could face up to 3 years in state prison. And a conviction for vandalism is often a red flag for employers who look at it and think, is this person untrustworthy? Are they reckless? Are they temperamental? And as difficult as it is to get employment in this economy, it can make it that much more difficult if you have this on your record. So to the extent that you're charged with vandalism now, you want to do everything that you can to fight the case and keep it off your record. We find that a lot of innocent people get wrongly accused of vandalism. And this happens for a number of reasons. First of all, a lot of times somebody damages a property on accident, and it was not intentional. It was a legitimate accident. Secondly, we find that a lot of times somebody else was the one who vandalized the property, and the finger got wrongly pointed at our client. And we see a lot of situations where a person damages or destroys their own property and then falsely accuses somebody else of doing it in order to get that person in trouble. Here at Chouse Law Group, we've had a great record of success over the years in defending people in these situations who are charged with vandalism and ultimately getting the charges reduced or dismissed.